Hello viewers, meritocracy versus dispensation. December 16, 2024 din day, Nagaland State Government bra 147 assistant professors or librarian khan under contractual basis day appoint gurigana rakha khan regularize kurule order ola thagise. Aro hunna hisabte government bra edu 147 assistant professors or librarian khan hole under dispensation based day appoint kura thagise. To edu laga regularization order opore Combined Technical Association of Nagaland CTAN or the Nagaland Net Qualified Forum NNQF Canberra regularization do nokuru lage edu regularization order do revoke kuru lage kuigana kwa thagise. Judi government bra mananai 16 April 2025 din bra protest to thakibo kuigana kwa thagise. Enaga thaka homoide government bra revoke nokura nimide 16 of April 2025 din bra loigina CTAN aro NNQF Canberra protest to suru kura thagise. Enega chai thaka homoide Naga Student Federation CTAN NNQF Canberra melagina Nagaland government ke 7 days ultimatum serve kura thagise. Edu laga 7 days ultimatum laga deadline du hole 28 April 2025 din thagise. Edu laga agire state government bra 147 contractual assistant professors or librarian khan regularize kuru kwa du hole revoke kuru lagi kuigana kwa thagise. Judi government bra 7 days ultimatum dia bijide eku response dia nai gulodo 29 April 2025 din de second phase of protest to suru kuru kuigana kwa thagise. To government bra 7 days ultimatum under the eku response na babra aji 29 of April 2025 din bra CTAN NNQF or NSF kan miligana Directorate Higher Education laga pahare protest to ja thagise. Taikhan laga demand du ki ase kuledo state government de backdoor appointment na thagu lage aro ki laga job appointment hobe edu hole through meritocracy basis se jabo lage through NPSC exam noile dusra competitive exam brahe edu handu appoint kuru lage backdoor appointment do na thagu lage aro 147 assistant professors khan kundu backdoor bra appoint gurise under dispensation based edu han laga regularization order do revoke kuru lagi kona ta han laga main demand do edu ase. Edu laga protest opore the Nagaland cabinet bra consultative meeting aji puha thagise. Meeting puha bijide press conference chief secretary conference hall da thakaram de mohalaga Tripura CM Tia Zeliang bra koisiki the high power committee khan ke regularization of 147 assistant professors khan kuntu contractual teachers ase edu laga report bisaro nimide 4 weeks to TB kuigana kwa thagise. Arobi mohalaga Tripura chief minister Dia Zeliang bra highlight kurise ki first phase laga agitation day cabinet laga decision dole edu laga issue deal gurule committee set up kurule kwa thagise. Edu laga opore agitators khan dissatisfaction thaga nimide emergency cabinet meeting do loise kugena koise. Aro tai bra koise ki agitators khan laga sentiment janigena osol dahan bra 8 weeks mangise holebi 8 weeks nohigena 4 weeks majode the high power committee kuntu April 21st in the form hua tai khan bra etu laga issue opore report to dibo koigena kwa thagise. Aro Tripura CM bra kwa hisabte kile high power committee do set up kurise. Edu high power committee set up kura do hole government bra documents lage edu laga documents opore dahan decision nohela dakhan laga on decision do reverse kuru nimide high power committee set up kura ase kuina koise. Government bra substantial decision with evidence and proof to lage aro appoint kurigina thaga contractual assistant professors khan hole kiman appoint kurise aro kitia appoint kurise edu details pabo nimide edu details to collect kuru nimide high power committee do set up kura ase kuigena Tripura CM Tia Zeliang bra kuse. Cabinet khan bra aji NSF CTN aro NNQF khan lorbi meeting buha dagise edu laga meeting de ta khan ke bi government laga nohole cabinet laga decision debi tahan bra understand kurule kwa thakise aro deputy CM Tia Zileng bra NSF CTN NNQF representative khalore meeting bohadam de koise ki within 4 weeks time de high power committee khan bra etu laga issue opore report to submit kuribo aro they will take a positive stand and action kugena assurance dia thakise deputy CM Tia Zileng bra agitators khan laga sentiment bi acknowledge kurigina cabinet ke time to dibole request kura thakise aro Tia Zileng bra NSF CDN aro NNQF khan ke tahan bra propose kurigina thaka agitation dhole ekbar hall guru nimide appeal kura thakise aro akiru kwa nisnai Tia Zileng bra high power committee set up kura dhole kun bra mistake kurigina appoint gurise aro 147 professors khan kuntu contractual basis e appoint gurise edu khan dhole kiman jun appoint gurise aro kuntu sal de appoint gurise edu details pabo nimide high power committee set up kura ase kugena taibra ajilaga cabinet meeting de kwa thakise so viewers ajilaga video de April 16 2025 tin bra shuru kurigina CTN NNQF aro NSF khan bra protest to kile jai ase aro takhan laga main demand to ki ase 147 assistant professors khan kuntu contractual basis de appoint kurigina thaka khan ke December 17 2024 din de state government bra takhan do regularize kuru nimide order ola thakise etu laga order opore CTN NNQF aro NSF khan bra etu order do hole revoke kuru lagi kugena tahan bra koi ase etu laga issue phal bra analyze kurigina solution de anibu nimide cabinet khan bra 4 week times mangi ase etu laga 4 week times majode high power committee khan bra etu laga details khan do sob collect kurigina last day tahan bra etu laga opore report to tibu kugena assurance thaga viewers aji laga video de meritocracy versus dispensation laga case Nagaland de chai thaka aji laga video bra janai di ase etia last day viewers an amnahange request kuru mon hoa hole nichu laga opinion share kurigina moi laga comment section de likhule etu janai di ase Nagaland de mon sopra dispensation don nalagi koi ase hole bi dispensation do hole mon laga Nagaland de access kuri asena nai aro ekta do hole mon sopra meritocracy basis hisabte job appointment do dibo lagi ina koi ase tu judi meritocracy basis do hole implement kurishuloro with full transparency mon laga state de apply kurula paruna implement kurula paruna viewers an amnan sopra comment section de edu laga opore nichu laga idea share kurule request kurabi janai di ase thank you everyone for watching my video and see you on my next video